All right. So, what's going on, man? It's your boy Ty. You dig? You know what it is. All right, so we're gonna take some trades. Feel me? This is my dummy demo account. It's like scalping. I just made this little stupid shit. Called it Fortnite V-Bucks. Feel me? So I'm gonna show you guys how to take a trade. All right. So let's go to Euro USD. Let's open that up. Ooh, look at that. Look at that double top on the 5 minute. Let me show you guys. Well, let me take it first, and then I'll show you what I see. Oh shit. Come on, man. All right, so damn, nice. Oh, okay. Let me switch it back around to these joints. All right, easy call. Yeah, no, let me show you something. I gotta get myself out the way. All right, but so we got that traded. You're like, yo, what do you see? All right, so this is the hour, and this is the pattern I see. All right. So as of right now, we still got this channel right here. Came in, just kind of bouncing the channel, Boom. You know what you do at the high if it doesn't break through. It didn't break through. Boom. It's gonna continue this thing down that channel. All right. So price didn't break through. Feel me? Didn't break through here either. Still in this channel. That's my computer. All right. So where you put stop loss, right above here. All right. If I want to, I could put it right above there. But we're gonna go ahead and go to a smaller time frame. All right. Go to a smaller time frame. Look at this at the 15. All right. So like, what do you see on the 15? This right here. So it was bulls for a second. You feel me? But it didn't give me a higher high. This is a higher high. This is a higher high. It didn't give me a third higher high. It gave me some lower lows, and well, now it's gonna give me some more lower lows. All right. So I'll put a stop. It's the 15 minute. You can put your stop loss here. Feel me? But it's at price is at 130 right now, so you can put it at 230. That's a like 230. That's like 10 pips right there. Feel me? So you'll put your stop there also. It's here. It will actually let you know, okay, price is gonna break out of that channel and go north. You feel me? So boom, you can throw the stop here at 230. That price do what it's gonna do. Boom. This is the first place it's coming. Second place. You can break this area and it continue that descent to the downside. Alright. So some people like to look at this shit all day. Alright. This is the 15. We can go to the daily. Alright, so on the daily, I already have something marked up on this joint. This is from some old shit, probably from my other charts. Alright, so yeah, we're right here right now. You see some pressure right there, right? You see some bull pressure. You're like, oh man, it didn't break this point. Nah, it didn't break that point. You feel me? It didn't just yet. So we got potential upside to continue doing what it was doing. Feel me? But then also, shit. If it breaks past this point right here, we out of here, bro. Feel me? So let's go back and check. Let's go back and check that 5 minute joint. So see what it's doing. I'm not even trading, so I don't know why it's even doing that. I'm pressing nothing. All right. Still looking at nothing right now. Nothing is going on. A lot of people sit there and watch this shit. They be like, oh my God, what's my trade doing? Like, bro, I'm literally scrolling through the time frames, bro. There's nothing going on. There's fucking consolidation. Feel me? Got this going right here. Still got a little bull power right here. But like I said, we weren't making higher highs. Stopped and made a double top. So, boom, like, oh, okay, price of breakthrough. And yeah, I could have waited. Could have waited for another confirmation candlestick to be like, oh yeah, this is definitely a downtrend. Feel me? So if this trade goes against me, it's because I just didn't wait for a confirmation. Like even though it showed a double top, it didn't give me a second confirmation candlestick. So in a sense, I didn't even confirm that trade. I just took it on like, oh man, let me go ahead and take it off these tips right here. You feel me? So we'll come back to this. Let us see what it's gonna do. And shit. Yeah, here we go. Can't do shit now though. Oh, I gotta throw that stop on. My bad. There we go. I put 100,000 demo dollars in here. All right. So this is how you modify the stop loss. Boom. Since this is a sell, I'm going up. See, I'm going up 10 pips. So I got in at 124. So I'm gonna put my shit at 230. Bam. All right. So this is the price on the 1 minute right now. So yeah, we had some bull power. You feel me? But see a lot to the downside right now as well. So all right, so that's the one. So you got bull power, kind of breaking out of there. Got a little bull power. We've seen all that pressure to the downside. I mean, all that pressure as support. So yeah, it could shoot back up. You feel me? But you already know it's still very bearish too. So boom, boom. You come in here, feel me? Because we already got up, bang, and here's one piece right here. So up, bang, has to make it lower. Boom, boom. It's off the one though. So we're playing the same game on the one. I mean, you can even do it like that off the one. So bang, 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 bang. It's off the 1 minute. You're probably like, yeah, your hand in the way. I know because my finger writing, but so let's see what it does though. All right, so we're back. So I'm gonna show you guys correlations as well. So all these are about to break. All right, this ain't really doing too much of nothing, but I'm gonna show you some other pairs, right? Let's go to some other pairs. So let me change the pairs like that. Australian dollar should be about to break. Yep. So we can go ahead and sell this. Feel me? And this is a bigger account. This is at like 100,000 demo dollars. So fuck it. Do 10 lots on that shit. Next, I'll put a stop loss on it later. I'm just gonna sell all the correlations right now. All right, GU. I'm gonna sell it. I didn't look at it. I didn't even look at it, but usually they're all going the same way. All right. Let's go back to, and you're probably like, dang, it keeps switching. Like, yeah, it does, because this thing, it just keeps switching on me. So, all right. Let's see. All right, so I don't have any of the yen pairs on here, but usually if you're selling those pairs, you can buy these. For me, so we don't have no confirmation over here yet, just yet. But I mean, if it takes off, boom, we out of here. Feel me? You're like, oh, why'd you buy those other pairs? Because I was selling one. So now, go look at AU. All right. And you guys should wait for confirmation, man. All right. So this to me is already showing that we're going down. I see the break coming right here. Now, I'm already selling a XXX USD pair. That pair was Euro USD, right? Euro USD. So I was already selling that, John. So I'm just like, oh, okay, well, usually they all drop at the same time. So as you see, this shit's about to drop. Boom. Now, the right way to do this would be to let this actually drop, close, or go into a smaller time frame and wait for it to break through and then close and then enter. Feel me? Close, then enter under here. Boom. You feel me? Or you can go in on the 5 and enter a little bit shorter. Throw your stop loss right on top of here. This will be your stop loss, you feel me? And you just write that thing on out and then just start adjusting your stop loss on the way down. So those are just correlation pairs, all right? So now, turn this off of this joint. You're like, where you at, T? I'm right here. feel me? So boom, it's the 30. And we got a lot of, still got some bull action right here, feel me? Banking off them supports right there, feel me? Higher, boom. So boom, boom, somewhere maybe around here. But if it doesn't, then it's coming back, boom, feel me? Let's see. So let's go to 4 hour. You're looking at a break to the downside on the 4. It's like a wave. A wave is, you notice first it gathers up, and then it comes up, and then so that's the market. Imagine a wave, imagine a wave, imagine a wave is bubbling up, and then you could surf this. You could surf that trend. You feel me? You could surf in there and then crash. Feel me? So boom, yeah, it's chilling at support. Boom, throw stop loss here, call it a day. Well, really, right there. So enter. Stop loss, bam. So market's not doing nothing right now. All right. But when it is, I'll come back to this whole thing and we just watch it play out. I could throw stop losses on top of these. So I'm selling this joint. So go ahead and do 550, fuck it. Shit's acting like a hoe. It's taking forever. So fuck it. We'll just let this joint do what it does. It's the New Zealand sale. That's breaking out. Feel me? So I'm just showing you guys you can sell these joints all at the same time. Boom. Feel me? That's the 4 hour. Yeah, we can mark this up, but I'm just going off of correlations now since I'm already in the trade. You feel me? That's on the daily. We got nothing but bear action on the daily, bro. You see nothing but red. See nothing but red. And you can see this trend right here. Feel me? Bro, he's drawing noodles on this chart again. You can see that trend right there. You feel me? So that's that. So yeah, this is a dummy demo. I think this is a 100K dummy demo. Yeah, Fortnite V-Bucks. Little V-Bucks account, you feel me? So we'll just watch these things do their thing. We'll come back to them a little bit later. Let's see what they do, you feel me? So this will explain all that correlation stuff right here. I just sold X, USD. Since I was already selling one, I sold them all down. Yeah, you can go to the charts and double confirm, but usually if you're selling them all, or if you're selling one, you can sell them all. If you're buying one, then you can buy them all. Feel me? And then as well as JPY, feel me? So let's get all this shit off the screen. Let this thing basically do what it does. Okay, so I mean, you guys can see the time and shit. Finally, we got some power. For me, still nothing really going on. All right, just a little break right here. So usually you guys will wait for a candlestick to close, and then when it closes, then you would just boom, enter that, and you know, keep it moving like that. All right, so I wanted to do this in live market conditions because, you know, fuck it, why not? I mean, like, Ty, where you at? And here I am again. Feel me? So you see that stop loss up there. Boom, you're like, why'd you put it there? Well, because this was where the most resistance was at, over here in this point, over here at this point. So I said, fuck it, if the market goes up over here, then it will continue this way. But if it doesn't, then boom. So we got to close right here. All right, this is the 15. You can go on a smaller time frame if you're scalping. Feel me? So let's go to a smaller time frame, like the 5. Boom. So you got your break on the 5. There's your break on the 5. There's your candlestick close. You feel me? You see it dipped under. So if you were to enter this from the 5, you'd be like, boom, got confirmation. You could wait for a second confirmation. You could be like, okay, here's one. Just to avoid false breakouts, you could wait for a second confirmation, like boom. Or you can just get in, you know what I'm saying? Like, okay, I'm gonna sell right here. And then since that price is 361, your stop loss will be at like above this structure right here, like 461. So you take this trade and then boom, you feel me? So if it hits up there, you're like, okay, I get out. Let's say it continues up, okay, cool. You feel me? Either let it go Some people will try to chase it, and end up getting smacked both ways and lose their account. Or you can just let it go since you thought it was going down and just wait for this play to come, or reanalyze your charts and see what's going on. Feel me? So let's boom. That was this Australian dollar joint. So now let me pull up some other pairs. Let me see. Oh shit, nice. Got some profit over here. Nothing really crazy. Feel me? Once again, this is my Fortnite V-Bucks account. All right, so boom. Let's look at this New Zealand dollar joint. Feel me? I'm trying to turn this way. Let's look at this. Is it gonna show me the New Zealand dollar? Oh, there we go. All right, so there we go right there. All right, so boom, we got us a nice break right here. All right, so this the 5 minute, got us a nice break right here. We were in there. I forgot to put a stop loss, but since I got in at, what is this, 65150, then I'll just put my stop loss at 65250 right there when I do put it in. But we got our break. Boom, it's pushing to the downside. So this is a dummy account, but it's not my time to trade. You feel me? So I'm just trading now in this account because, you know, fuck it, why not, bro? I'm showing you guys entries and exits. It's gonna be a pretty long video, but I think you'll be able to master entries and exits after this. All right. Boom, see that hour. All right. So what I'm looking at, I see that fat bearish candlestick right there. You see the downtrend because you're reading the market like this. Feel me? So that's how you're looking at the market, from left to right like that. You see that big downtrend. You see that bearish candlestick poking out from under there. You see structure right here. Boom. You're like, hey, if it breaks under here, it's coming here. Then continuous little structure on the way down. Or shit might just something stupid. You know what I'm saying? So we could sit there and wait. But once you're in profit a little bit, like right now I'm barely in profit, so I wouldn't try to stop it because it could just take me out, take me out, right? So I'll wait for it to get a little bit down, feel me, like here in this area, and just throw a trailing stop right here. Bang. Once price is here, have my trailing stop here, so at least I don't lose any money. I'll break even if anything. Then you just start adjusting your trailing stop on the way down until that trade closes itself, or you do something stupid and then, you know, end up closing it. All right. So let's go back to this. So Euro USD didn't really give us no breakout yet. Feel me? Euro USD didn't really give us no breakout yet, but like I said, that's why you trade those correlations. Feel me? So everything can be moving. So this didn't really do nothing crazy for us just yet. We don't got no US juice yet, but you got consolidation. Feel me? Banking off the top, you know the play. Feel me? That's off the hour. So we just wait. All right. And now you got, I mean, how you want to do it, you only want to risk like 2% of your account per trade, 3% of your account per trade. You feel me? I wouldn't say, oh, stack up really, really fast, because I mean, you guys will blow your shit quick. So I'm just doing it because like I'm bored right now. So yeah, I could take some dummy trades. Fuck it, why not? Feel me? All right, boom. So that's this right here. All right. Great British Pound hasn't started moving yet. On the hour, we're still in consolidation. But what do you see? When you're reading the market from left to right, boom, that's what I see. Also, see it's in like this little joint like that. You feel me? You're like, oh, I can make that a little bit better. Boom. So we're at this area. You see, and up here we sell. So still come down. And then I can go into like a 5, 15. 15. It's really nothing on the 15. I think this to me is consolidation. I don't trade that. Feel me? But the reason I sold it is because we were already looking at the trades. We were already looking at XXX USD bears. Feel me? So boom, sold here, but that's basically 155. So I could throw a stop loss at 30, like above structure right here. So I have a stop loss up there. Stop loss up there. I enter right there. Boom. So that's how you do that. So we're just sitting around waiting for breaks. You feel me? I don't watch this part of the market because it's boring. But to finish this video, like I said, I'll let these things play out, and then I'll show you guys the trailing stop and all of that. All right. So let's keep building this thing. Okay. So let's get it. So now we're in a few trades. We already know that. I'm just managing them, checking to see what these things look like. Let's go back right here. Yeah, you guys already know this is the dummy demo account, my Forex V-Bucks. All right, see that stop loss set right here, entry right here underneath this break right here. This is the hour, so you see where we took our entry and stuff at. The entry was underneath the break, boom. So right now, currently, we headed to the downside. Feel me? You could start selling up here, start selling right here, sell right here. Feel me? Could sold right here. So just showing you a few different plays. All right. So this is the hour. These are in profit. It's not enough to trail and stop it just yet, but once we get a break, then you can trail and stop that joint. Boom. All right, let's check on this other. Well, my bad, guys. Let's check on some other pairs. I'm trying to pull it a little. Oh shit. I'm trying to pull it. There we go. Okay, so let's check on some other pairs. Give me a second. Okay, so that's the profit on this Euro USD. It didn't do shit, so it's still just there waiting. We can look at that. Still in consolidation, not doing shit at all. Just banking off these joints, feel me? So that's all that pattern is doing right now. If you get a break to the upside, okay, fuck it, I'm out. Once you get if I get a full bullish candlestick, then I'll be like, oh shit, well, it already broke this area, so we know it's going here. And if I don't, we continue bearish. If we continue this channel right here, shit, won't keep selling this joint. All right, so back to the hour. I'm already on the hour. All right, so let's go check some other trades. All right, New Zealand dollar. All right, so the reason I don't watch this is because each one of these candlesticks is an hour. So you can spend your hours. You can spend, like, let's say you spent your hours watching this little movement right here. Yeah, it's cool. You made you some money, but you've been watching the charts this whole time. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 hours, bro. Almost a whole day. So really, you could just set your shit. I could put it, like I said, I could put my stop loss right here, but right now I'm just lazy, and it's a dummy demo account, so I'm not even gonna worry about it. And I'm trying to finish this video. I'm not getting those crazy pushes right now, so I can't really do shit. But this is in profit now. Like I said, once it drops, if it does, then I just put a little stop loss right there and just ride that shit all the way out. All right. Or if you want to play it smart and you're like, yo, every time I go in profit, I just at least want to break even. See, we're not in no area to really put no stop loss, because market could just come up. Let's say you put one here, just come up, tap it, boom, and drop. And you'd be like, damn, but it took me out the trade. Boom, and drop. And you'd be like, damn, but it took me out the trade. So you could play it loose, but you could put, like I said, we got in right here. So you could put your loss, boom, right here, SL. As that rides out on the 15. You feel me? So just different ways you can move, different things you can do. Me, I'm not gonna watch this thing at all. So you guys kind of know the game. There's your entries and exits. This video will be called Master Entries and Exits. We didn't get really no real push, no real move, but I mean, we got a little something, a little gas, some quick scalping pips, you feel me? And I think, you know, that could be cool for you guys too, for the scalpers out there who want to scalp, you know. But long term, that's basically how you get in, and you just let that thing ride out. Like I said, this video would take 1,000,000 years to make if I just sat here and watched this shit, but I'm not, so that part.